Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle Kavi. Today I'm going to show you how to make this canvas bag with this heart applique, and for applique I have also used jeans to give it some fraying look. You can use this bag as a grocery bag or you can carry it every day and it goes very well with any outfit. In this tutorial, you will learn one of the way to hide the raw seams, so don't skip and watch till end. This bag looks slim but holds many things. So friend, let's see how to make this quick bag. To make this bag, you will need canvas which is 14 inches wide and 34 inches long. If you don't have long canvas, then you can join two pieces together. For straps, you can use this type of 1 inch wide cotton twill or cotton webbing, or you can even make your own straps. To make canvas straps, cut canvas 4 inch wide by 25 inch long and fold it in center 4 times. Then make stitches on both the sides. We will need 2 straps. Next, draw a shape of heart on paper and then cut it out. Then take any leftover fabric of any type and small piece of your old jeans. Now trace this heart shape on fabric and then cut it out. Now fold template and jeans in half and hold it together. Then cut heart roughly out of jeans, bit bigger than the template. Place this fabric heart on top of jeans in the center, pin it and keep it aside. Now take the canvas with wrong side facing up, then fold half inch on the short side. Then again fold it 1 inch to cover this raw edge. Now repeat the same steps for the other side of canvas also. Now fold the canvas in half and mark the center point of it. Then from this center point mark 2.5 inch on both the sides so that this center portion will be of 5 inches. Now take one strap and slide the one end of it into this fold until it touches the fold behind this line. And now without twisting this strap, slide the other end behind the opposite marked line. Now clip both the straps and take this to your sewing machine and make a stitch on this fold all the way down. Now flip these straps to the opposite side and make a stitch on the top all the way down. Repeat all the steps for the other end also. For straps, I will recommend you to use cotton twill or make your own fabric straps because these canvas straps make it bulkier and get difficult while sewing. Now with the right side facing up, place this heart applique in the center, up or down wherever you wish, and pin it. Then take this to your sewing machine and make a stitch on the fabric heart closer to the edge. You can even do zigzag stitch. At the end, give few back stitches. Now with the help of needle, fray the jeans edges. You can do this step at the end also. Now fold the canvas in half with right side touching together and align all the sides and clip everything in place. Now at the bottom on the fold, measure 2 inches above from the fold and draw a line. Now make a fold on this drawn line and clip it. On both sides with 3/4 inch seam, make a stitch from top to bottom. Make sure to reinforce the stitches at start and end. To hide this raw edge, grab one layer and cut around 1/4 inch closer to the stitch. And at the bottom, cut all the extra layers of fold. So this is how it will look. Now fold the bottom seam in half and then again fold it back so that this will cover the first raw edge. Now keep this in place with the help of pins or clips. Now take this to your sewing machine and make a stitch on this fold from top to bottom with few back stitches at start and end. Repeat the same steps for the opposite side also. So you can see this is the inside of the bag and how neat our seams are looking without using serger or any bias tape to hide the side seams. And yes, it's time to turn the bag inside out. Wow, our easy peasy bag is ready. And at the end, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming easy tutorials. Thank you. Bye-bye.